Journalists also cover speeches, whether it's the President of the United States or the President of a local business or organization. In preparing to cover a speech, you can probably by now guess what the first step is. To research the speaker. Who is talking and why? What's the significance? Is the speaker or topic controversial? Might there be protesters at the event? Request an advance copy of the speech from organizers. One is often available from prominent figures on speaking tours. Now, if one isn't available, don't worry. Ask if picture taking is allowed, and if so, when. Some speakers do not allow photographs during their speech, or for only a brief period. Whatever you're told, follow the rules. Now, during the speech, you want to make sure that you get a good seat. You'll want to be able to see and hear the speaker clearly, but also be able to view the audience's reaction. Estimate the size of the audience. Now, this is something that I have trouble with. I can't look at a large group and know how many people there are. If you're like me, talk with the event organizers to help you get a more accurate count. You'll also want to monitor the mood of the crowd. Are they hostile, excited, enthralled? Bring these observation skills to the forefront to help add color to your story. You'll also want to take along a tape recorder. Even if you only use it for backup, it will help you make sure that your quotes are accurate. After the speech, create a compelling lead. Remember, the speech itself isn't the most important thing about the story. What the speaker said, or maybe the reaction to it, is generally what should be in the lead. But avoid topic leads. It's the big idea in the speech that is the story. Don't bog your readers down with unnecessary background and biographical data about your speaker. Establish who the person is, but then get to the speech. Highlight the speaker's key points. Use direct quotes, clearly attributed, as often as necessary. Arrange the speech topics in descending order of importance, rather than chronological order. Be sure to convey the tone of the speech. Is the speaker joking and playful, or serious and somber? Beware of false or libelous comments. Just because your speaker said it doesn't mean it's true. Double check every fact. Even if you clearly attribute the claim to the speaker, you and your publication can still be sued for libel. Either don't include something that might not be true, or refute it with the real story.